Ever feel overwhelmed by the chaos surrounding you, both in the physical and mental space? You're not alone. Organizing your life, home, and mental space can seem like a daunting task, but it's incredibly important. With an organized headspace, you're able to plan better, making your daily life run smoother. It also allows you to invest quality time in fun activities, like family get-togethers or walking the dogs. Well, we have got some simple and effective tips for you. Tip number 1. Declutter regularly. Think of decluttering as a refreshing cleanse for your surroundings. By keeping your physical space tidy, you inadvertently clear out mental clutter as well. It's like hitting a reset button for your mind, making room for creativity and new ideas to flourish. Moving on to tip 2. Prioritize tasks. It's essential to distinguish between what's urgent and what's important. By using tools such as to-do lists or digital apps, you can manage your time and tasks more efficiently. Remember, it's about working smarter, not harder. Finally, tip 3. Create routines. Establishing daily routines can be a game changer when it comes to time management. Whether it's a morning routine to kickstart your day or an evening routine to wind down, these habits can help provide structure and make your day run that little bit smoother. Remember, the key is consistency. These strategies aren't one-time fixes. They're habits to cultivate and maintain. So let's keep moving forward, one organized step at a time. Moving on to tip number 4. Use storage solutions. The secret to a tidy home is having a place for everything. Invest in shelves, baskets, and boxes to organize your belongings. You'll be surprised how a well-organized space can bring a sense of calm and order to your mind. Now, let's glide into tip number 5. Set goals. Goals are the compass that guide your actions. They give you a sense of direction and purpose. Set short-term goals for the day or week, and long-term goals for the year or even 5 years. This can help you focus your energy and make your daily life run smoother. And here's tip number 6. Take breaks. Our brains aren't designed to work non-stop. Regular breaks refresh the mind, help you regain focus, and boost your productivity. Remember, it's not about how long you work, but how effectively you use your time. Small steps can lead to big changes. Now let's dive into tip number 7. Learn to say no. This might sound simple, but it's far from easy. Learning to say no to unnecessary tasks can save you a significant amount of time and reduce stress. It's about prioritizing what really matters and letting go of things that don't contribute to your goals or happiness. Moving on to tip number 8. Delegate tasks. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to delegate. Whether at home or in the workplace, sharing responsibilities can lighten your load and make your day run that much smoother. Remember, it's not a sign of weakness, but a smart strategy for effective organization. And now, for tip number 9. Keep a positive mindset. An optimistic approach can make tasks seem less daunting and more manageable. It's all about perspective. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Remember, your mindset matters. Finally, tip number 10. Seek help when needed. There's an old saying that no man is an island, and it's absolutely true when it comes to organization. Sometimes the tasks at hand can seem overwhelming, and that's okay. Seek help from friends, family, or a professional organizer. They can provide an outside perspective that you might not have considered and help you break down daunting tasks into manageable pieces. Let's recap the tips we've discussed so far. We began with setting clear goals, followed by decluttering our space, creating a daily routine, using tools and apps, and prioritizing tasks. We then moved on to keeping a clean environment, staying focused, maintaining a balance between work and personal life, and finally embracing change. Each of these tips is a stepping stone towards a more organized life, home, and mental space. Remember, being organized is not just about having a clean house or a neat desk. It's about having control over your time, your belongings, and your thoughts. It's about being able to plan and spend quality time doing the things you love, like spending time with your family and your dogs. Start implementing these tips today and experience the difference in your life. The benefits are immense, from less stress and more productivity to more time for fun and relaxation. Remember, an organized life leads to an organized mind.